Hi, I'm Matthew from Flir. In this video, we're demonstrating how the Flir A6450 supports non-destructive testing of carbon fiber components using active thermography, together with our partner here at Aerospace.
Hello, I'm Alexey from Davis. Carbon fiber reinforced polymers components are often prone to production defects such as delamination, disbonds, porosity. While ultrasound is historically used for inspection, full surface coverage can be complex and time-consuming. Here you can see a typical test setup for CFRP inspection using active thermography. Active thermography allows large surface areas to be inspected quickly in a single measurement. In lock-in thermography, the component is periodically heated using halogen lamps. An infrared camera records the thermal response. By analyzing phase and amplitude information, defects are identified and the depths can be determined. One major advantage is controlled depth analysis. By adjusting the excitation frequency, inspection can take out the near-surface information and focus on deeper layers, which are typically more critical to the structural integrity.
Carbon fiber inspection generates relatively weak thermal contrast, requiring a detector optimized for this signal range. The Flir A6450 features a cooled mid-wave detector with Flir-owned strain layer superlattice technology, specifically tuned to the 3 to 5 micron range. Also, the detector includes optics specifically tuned to this range of the camera. It even shines in 24/7 operations utilizing Flir's ultra-long life linear cooler technology. Flir stands behind this performance with an industry-leading 2-year full coverage warranty. For more information about the Flir A6450, please visit flir.com. And thank you to Aerospace for demonstrating this application with us.